right back with first trades right here on ET Now. And Emami has come out with numbers. Naresh Bansali, CEO of Finance and Strategy and CFO of Emami, joins us right now on the show. Good having you, Mr. Bansali. Thanks so much for joining in. Take us to the earnings.
My pleasure.
More importantly, tell us how has volume growth shaped up this quarter and how do you see that moving ahead in the quarters ahead?
The volume growth has been very good. In fact, it is around 15% volume growth, which we have achieved on and all. And growth has come from all the power brands, even the new launches has contributed a lot. So, right from Navratna to Fair and Handsome to Balms, all have contributed to the growth overall.
Which category has seen the highest volume growth?
The summer brands, kind of Navratna has done good. Even Balms has also done good. All. In fact, the contribution is from all.
Your margins have gone from 15.5% to about 17, south of 17 actually, 16.8. Is this largely because of drop in commodity prices and your margins expanded?
It's because of the many initiatives which have been taken and which also includes the slowdown in the commodity prices as well. But many cost reduction initiatives have been taken, and this is the result of that. And you have seen a decrease of around 440 basis points in COGS.
What about your ad expenses then, Naresh? I mean, do you see an uptick going forward?
We have already ramped up in this quarter itself. You might have seen that the ad expenses have gone up. And in fact, around 30 crore has been spent on the new launches in this quarter itself. So that would continue. And despite this, the profitability is so good. EBITDA has grown by 33%.
Okay. So, I'm seeing this trend, Mr. Bansali, with some of the mid-sized FMCG players that the volume growth has been strong despite concerns, and the commentary from all your peers for the next few quarters is fairly positive. That is coupled with lower commodity costs, so therefore margins should do well too. I reckon you should be fairly optimistic about how you will do for FY16 as a year.
Yes, we have earlier also given a guideline that we will continue to grow at around 17-18% on top line and bottom line as well. This is the guideline which we had given, and we continue to maintain that. So the first quarter had been very good. I think on an annualized basis, one can reasonably expect that kind of a growth or maybe more.
When will the benefits of Kesh King acquisition kick in? Will that be applicable in FY16?
Yes, the sales have started kicking, and on the EBITDA level, the profits should also increase. So I think that the impact you will definitely get from the next quarter itself.
Okay, Mr. Bansali, good chatting with you. Thank you for taking time out and speaking with us today.
Yeah, my pleasure.
That's the outlook coming in from Emami Limited. Stock a little soft right now. It's lower by about 0.5% or so. What about the rest of the market? That is quite